restaurants, and individuals who love design but understand. You learn how to create an entirely new and put control over nature's most elusive elements into your hands. Korea Foyer runs on water, an innovative system which turns water into steam with an advanced lighting system technology.
그냥 장식용이에요?
네, 장식용이에요?
이거 사진 찍는 그 느낌이 나나.
나 한번 찍어봐. 나 이렇게 하고 이거 한번 찍어. 빨리.
잠깐만. 이런 건 얼마인데?
와, 신기하다. 찍어봐, 찍어봐.
봐. 잠깐 기다려봐.
Korea Foyer, an evolution of fire. Fire has always fascinated humanity and is one of the most important discoveries. We learned how to create it an entirely new
오, 대단한데?
elusive elements.
야, 진짜.
We have to control with the gift of your creation, a fire that's completely safe for you and your family.
최소 사이즈 180만 원.
With the power of water, steam, and light, we turn nature's most unpredictable and destructive forces into